So this is room number 7 at Nokhook House in Trang, which I think really is categorised as a hostel, but this is a private double room with an ensuite shower room. The room's quite large, but it is very basic, and this is what we expected from the photographs online. The furnishings are quite sparse, quite minimum. So you've got 2 chairs there and a table, and then this long TV bench with a mirror. They provide you with a couple of bottles of water each day, but there's no tea or coffee making facilities in the room. You have to go downstairs for that, but it is available all day. And you've got a window, overlooks the street here. There are quite a few stray dogs out of the front, and they do wander around at night, so you can expect some noise here. The bed itself is large, the sheets were clean and it was reasonably comfortable, but there is only one bedside table. Although there are 2 sets of electrical socket outlets either side of the bed, it would have been nice to have had another bedside table on this side. Over here you've got a bench which is handy for putting bags, luggage, and then there's a small clothing rail with some hangers there. Another thing of note is there's no safe at all in the room, so I think there is possibly an option to deposit things with reception, but it would again be nice if that was in the room. And then you've got the shower room, which is very, very basic. So there's an electric water heater in the shower, some soap and shampoo, but as you can see, it probably needs a good regrout and quite a deep clean. I'd say really this is not clean to the level that I would expect. You can see quite a lot of dust and grime on the shower unit there that it wouldn't take much just to wipe that off and keep that clean. So this is probably where the room is most let down. And then you've got a sink, mirror, but there's no hot water at the sink, it's only cold water. The other thing with the toilet is, here in Thailand, which is what we're used to, they don't like you to throw toilet tissue down the toilet, but the bin provided is so small that it's not ideal, and it's also not got a lid on it, which isn't great. There's a small hanging rail for towels, but there's no hooks or anything behind the door or anywhere else in the room, so you're a little bit limited there. The room does have air conditioning. We had a few issues trying to keep this going overnight without it making a lot of noise. In the end we found that it was best just left on the auto setting, which seemed to work reasonably well, but left running for more than an hour or so it will start to make a noise, so you need to bear that in mind. Location is reasonably good, but overall we are slightly disappointed with the cleanliness of this place. We feel it could be a little bit cleaner, especially for the money that we've paid. It worked out about £17 a night, which, whilst reasonable, we would expect a little bit more for that kind of level of money in Thailand. So I'd say suitable for one night. We did 2. One night I think would be optimum really. So the hostel provides some basic breakfast items so that you can make your own breakfast. So there was some milk and cereal, bread, eggs, and some fruit as well. The fruit wasn't in the best of condition, but when we asked for some more, she quickly went to the shop and that wasn't a problem. You have to wash up all of your own cutlery, plates and things. We did find there was quite a lot of things that had been washed up but not put back, so space was a little bit limited. There were also a few ants that we spotted in the kitchen, so it's probably not a good idea to leave any food items out on the side. But they do provide a fridge that you can access at any time if you want to put your own food and drinks in there.